Tucked away in the misty hills of Andhra Pradesh lies a village so enchanting, many call it the Kashmir of the south. Welcome to Lambasinghi, a place where the clouds kiss the earth, the mornings are wrapped in mist, and the air smells of pine and coffee blossoms. Imagine waking up to frosty mornings where the temperature sometimes dips close to zero, a rare phenomenon in South India. Lambasinghi offers an experience unlike any other, a blend of chilling weather, sprawling plantations, and pure tranquility. Begin your journey at Lambasinghi Viewpoint. As dawn breaks, a surreal sea of clouds stretches across the valleys. The sunrise paints the mist in shades of gold and pink, making it a paradise for photographers and dreamers alike. It's an unforgettable sight that feels straight out of a fairy tale. Nearby lies the charming Kotpally waterfalls. The cascading waters amidst dense forests offer a refreshing escape. Adventure seekers can trek through the lush greenery to reach these falls, feeling the cool spray and the thrilling beat of the forest around them. Explore the coffee and pepper plantations. Lambasinghi's plantations are spread across gentle hills and are a major source of livelihood for the locals. Strolling through the plantations offers a calming retreat, and many homestays offer fresh brews that taste like pure heaven. For those looking to blend history with exploration, a visit to the nearby Tajangi Reservoir is a must. Its crystal clear waters, surrounded by undisturbed forests, offer boating and picnicking options. The reservoir mirrors the sky, creating a mesmerizing backdrop perfect for lazy afternoons. Not far away, take a short drive to Yeravaram, where ancient Buddhist remains whisper tales from centuries ago. The drive itself through winding misty roads lined with thick woods is an adventure worth cherishing. Fun activities around Lambasinghi include camping under the stars. Clear, unpolluted skies make Lambasinghi ideal for stargazing and camping. Several local operators offer safe campsites with bonfires. Nature walks and bird watching. With its rich biodiversity, Lambasinghi is home to rare bird species and vibrant flora. Perfect for nature enthusiasts. Cycling trails, glide through winding village roads and coffee estates on a cycle. A unique way to explore the countryside. Trekking adventures, short treks lead you to hidden streams, viewpoints, and thick pine forests, perfect for offbeat explorers. Best time to visit Lambasinghi. The ideal months are November to February when the temperatures are cool and the landscape is cloaked in mist. Frosty mornings are usually seen in peak winter, turning the fields silver white. Weather and clothing tips. Even though it's located in tropical Andhra Pradesh, winters here can be surprisingly cold. Carry warm woolen clothes, jackets, gloves, and mufflers between November and February. During summers, March to June, days are mildly warm but evenings can still be chilly, so a light sweater is advisable. Rainy season, July to September, brings lush greenery but muddy paths. Pack waterproof jackets and sturdy boots. By now, if you're imagining a peaceful retreat far from noisy cities, where misty mornings and starlit nights become your everyday companions, Lambasinghi is calling you. And if you're loving this hidden gem exploration, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more secret travel destinations across India and beyond. Your support helps us uncover even more beautiful corners of the world just for you. Back to Lambasinghi, it's important to mention that the locals are warm, welcoming, and rooted in age-old traditions. Staying in a local homestay not only gives you a cozy bed but also a glimpse into their way of life, simple, earthy, and profoundly heartwarming. Unlike popular hill stations, Lambasinghi is still raw and untouched by mass tourism. This means you must travel responsibly. Keep the environment clean, respect local customs, and tread softly through its delicate ecosystems. Whether you seek misty mornings, scenic rides, thrilling treks, or just a cozy campfire under the stars, Lambasingi offers a little magic for every traveler. It's not just a trip, it's a memory waiting to be made.